An ellipse has the equation x squared over 16 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. Find the foci, vertices, and the lengths of the major and minor axes and sketch the graph along with the foci. First, we recognize immediately that this is the format for an equation of an ellipse centered at the origin. I'm going to rewrite this over here. X squared over 16 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. And in this case, the denominator on the y squared is larger. So we're going to let that be our a squared. So this is going to be x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared equals 1. Now, because the denominator in the y squared is larger, that means that this is going to be an ellipse that is taller than it is wide, and so the major axis is going to be vertical. Now, because a squared is 25, that tells us that the value of a is 5, and we know that the length of the major axis is 2a, and what this means is that from the origin, we're going to go up 5 units and down 5 units to make our major axis, which has length 10. If we look at the x term, we've got b squared in the denominator 16, so that means b is 4. And what that means is that the minor axis will have length 8. So specifically, we're going to be going to the right 4 units and the left 4 units for our minor axis, for our ellipse. And then we can draw the ellipse that goes through these points. So we've got the vertices, we've got the lengths of the major and minor axes. Those are 10 units and 8 units, respectively. We've sketched our graph. We just need the foci, and we remember that we can get that by setting c squared equals a squared minus b squared. In this case, that's going to be 25 minus 16, which is 9. So we've got c squared equals 9. Taking the square root, we've got c equals 3. And so what that means is that our foci are going to be up 3 units and down 3 units from our center. And so our foci are at the points 0, -3, and 0, +3. And that is it.